Let's review the solution to the previous calculation activity. So here's where I will remind you that I said some of y'all are going to get your feelings hurt because I've taught this for many, many years. And there are some people who just have good spatial awareness and reasoning and some people that do not. We got literally everybody with a different answer. Absolutely everybody, which is okay. We're going to get there, okay? It's baby steps. So let's show you this. As I said, I would break it into pieces, there, and there. And so the first rectangle is your 28 by 5. Well, folks, this is 28, and this is 5. Why is this 5? Because if this is 32, and this is 27, if you take 27 from 32, you are left with 5. So your first one is a 28 by 5 rectangle for 140 square feet. Let's call that A. And then your next one is, of course, this large one, which is a 50 is the total backside by 27. So that is 1,350 square feet. Let's call that B. And let me fix my zero where I kind of cut it there. Okay. Next, we've got this itty bitty little bay window. And I said we got one rectangle, two triangles. So your rectangle is a 5 by 3, which is 15 square feet. Let's call that C. And then you've got two triangles. Now, folks, depending on how comfortable with math, you could literally take base times height and just call that both triangles. But the formula is divided by 2, but then you've got 2 of them. So it's whatever you're more comfortable with. So you've got, and this is where people have a tendency to mess up. And I would wager this is probably the variations in all your numbers if I had to guess. But if this is 5, and this from here to here is 9, well, you've got to split the difference. 5 here, that means this is 2, this is 2. So these triangles are base of 2, height of 3. And so if you take your calculator and you say, okay, base times height, 2 times 3, that'd be the area of both. Divided by 2, each triangle is 3 square feet. So you can add in 6, you're going to add in 3 and 3. This one, it just adds in the 6 for both of them, but it's 3 and 3 each. And so if you itemize that, you know you got everything, it's 1511. Sam's feeling pretty good right now. She's like, Every one of y'all was close, but you see, you got to make sure you keep track of the number differentiations. And that's why we practice this. And of course, this is a much easier way of doing it versus having to do it on your home because these are finite numbers. These are, I'm not asking you to do inches in this, but I will show you how to make your lives easier once you understand the concept. So let's do another one.